In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Figma. Cropping images effectively is a fundamental skill in any design software, and Figma makes it incredibly straightforward. Whether you're refining a layout, focusing on a specific detail, or simply removing unwanted elements from a photo, knowing how to crop precisely can significantly enhance your designs. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of how to achieve the perfect crop every time. This guide is designed to be thorough and easy to follow, allowing you to confidently integrate this essential technique into your workflow. First things first, you need to add an image to your Figma canvas. There are a couple of common ways to do this. You can simply drag and drop an image file directly from your computer's desktop or a folder right onto your Figma canvas. Alternatively, with your canvas selected, you can navigate to the main menu at the top left, find the File option, and then choose Place Image. This will open a file browser where you can select the image you wish to import. Once your image is on the canvas, you'll see it displayed. If it's not already selected, click on it once to ensure it's highlighted. This selection is crucial as it activates the contextual options in the right-hand panel, which we'll be using for the next step. Ensure the image is placed and ready for modification before proceeding. Once your image is selected on the canvas, turn your attention to the right-hand design panel. This is where most of Figma's properties and modification tools reside. Within this panel, you'll see various sections for fill, stroke, effects, and export. Look specifically at the Fill section. If your image is acting as a fill for a shape, you'll see a preview of the image there. Importantly, directly below or next to the image preview within the Fill section, you will find a small icon that looks like a square with two overlapping corners or a set of lines indicating a cropping tool. This is the crop icon. Click on this icon. As soon as you click it, you'll notice a significant change. Your image on the canvas will now display adjustable handles around its edges, often appearing as blue lines with small squares or circles at the corners and midpoints. These handles signify that the image is now in crop mode, ready for your adjustments. With the image in crop mode, you can now adjust the crop to your desired specifications. You'll see those blue handles around the image. To crop, simply click and drag any of these handles inwards from the edge of the image. As you drag, you'll notice that the area outside the handles darkens slightly or becomes semi-transparent, indicating the portion of the image that will be removed. You can drag from the corners to adjust both width and height proportionally, or from the midpoint handles on each side to adjust just the width or height independently. Take your time to frame the exact part of the image you want to keep. If you need to pan the image within the cropped area, you can click and drag the image itself without touching the handles. This is extremely useful for fine-tuning the composition. Once you're satisfied with your crop, you have a couple of options to finalize it. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard, or simply click anywhere outside the image on the canvas. Your image will then be permanently cropped to the new dimensions, showcasing only the selected portion. Remember, cropping doesn't delete the original image data in Figma, so you can always re-enter crop mode later and adjust it again if needed. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to crop images in Figma, giving you more control over your designs. We hope this tutorial has been helpful.